Today I'll be demoing a menu driven single linked list in Python. We'll be inserting at the beginning, at a position, at the end, delete by a value and display the list. And this is the first for my your name and your key. And this is a node which is used for a node store. A node stores one data value and a pointer linked to the next node. For the last node, the link stays none. And the self dot start is the head of the linked list. When start is none, the list is empty, and there is an we are using this for insertion at the beginning. And this code will be creating a new node, point it to the current head, move the head to this node. The time complexity for this is O1. The edge cases for this is, even if the list was empty, it will be handling, like it will be creating the new node. And this is used to create the insert, this is used to insert at the end. And in this, if the list is empty, new node becomes the head. Otherwise, it will be traversing until p dot link is none, then attach. Then attach the last node. The time complexity is O raised to n due to traversal, and insertion as the position based. This is used for insertion at the position, and in the insertion at the position, it will be you and in the insertion of the position, it will be checking that position is equal to 1, so it will be inserting at the beginning. Otherwise, it will be inserting at the position just before the target. So it will be connecting the new node by using p and p dot link. This is you it will be taking the it will be inserting exactly at the length plus 1, and this is used to delete. And in the delete algorithm, we will be handling if we are handling an empty list, if the head matches, drop it by moving start forward. Otherwise, traverse with two pointers, preview and temp. When the match is found, bridge around the temp using previous dot link is equal to temp dot link. And the time complexity for the deletion is also O raised to n. And this is used to display the, this is the display function. And in the display function, it will be starting from the first node, it will be printing until the last node. And this is the menu, and we have given six options. One is for insertion at beginning, two is for insertion at position, then insertion at end, deletion of an element, display the linked list. And this handles the menu. And whenever a user is inputting the value, it will be taking the value and doing the functions accordingly. Like if it is giving the function character let in, it will be if the user is giving the integer as 1, it will be inserting a value at the beginning. And if the user is giving the value as 2, it will be it will be where it will be asking where to insert. And if the user is giving 4, it will be asking which value to delete. And if the user has entered any other units like 7 or 8, it will be telling that invalid choice enter. And if you take the output for this, if I'm adding at the beginning 23, and again I'm adding at 23, if I'm displaying the element, displaying the linked list, it will then node will be 23 23. And if I'm adding one at the position 3, adding 45, and then displaying the linked list, it will be 23 23. Again it will be none because the position is not there. And I am trying to insert at the end 3 4 and displaying the linked list, it will be 23 23 34. And again if I am trying to insert at the beginning, it will be allowing 24. If I am displaying it, it will be 24 23 23 34. And we can exit the program. This is the output for the program. Thank you.